This is what I found to be the easiest way to clean creosote off fireplace glass. Step number 1, ensure that the glass is cool to the touch. Step number 2, throw on some gloves. Step number 3, get yourself some pure ammonia in a spray bottle. Give the area a quick spritz. Take an old sponge, scrub this down. We just want to get everything loose now. After you've scrubbed everything loose, take some old crumpled up newspaper, wipe the area down. And finally, allow this to sit for, I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 minutes to allow any residual ammonia to evaporate off the glass and fireplace door surfaces. And that's that. That is some clean glass.